Hello guys, welcome to techinsights.com. So today we are going to learn how you can set a custom login screen background for your Windows 7. So like you can see your regular login screen background. Your regular login screen background is this one, right? Which is a little bit boring if you ask me. You have to see this page over and over again. So in case you didn't know that you can customize this page also, and it is within Windows. So, so what that basically means is Windows itself provides you the opportunity to customize your Windows 7 login screen background, that is. So in Windows 8, of course, you have a lot of features available directly, but in Windows 7 it's well hidden, and it is a feature that you have to alter rather than you can set it up straight. So like you'll see, this is the regular login screen background, and this is my current login screen background. So as you can see, this is my current login screen background. I removed the original Windows login screen background to a picture of my choice. So of course you can select any picture, your family picture, or any one of your any other nature picture or anything. So that can make your experience on your desktop million times better. So what I'm going to show you is the steps involved in it. That is a short tutorial on how you can achieve that. So let me begin it by, as you can see in the article, I've listed all the steps involved in it, and what the fun part is you don't have to use any third-party software or any other programs to do this. You can itself do it in your Windows by editing your registry. So we're going to edit our registry and then just begin with it. So we show you the steps involved now. So what you have to do is first you have to open the registry editor, that is the regedit. So you have to go to the start and type regedit, that is regedit, and run it. So like you can see, now we are in the registry editor. Now you have to go to this key, that is H key, local machine software, Microsoft Windows current version, authentication, login, UI, and background. So we're going to find this key. This is my H key local machine, and I'm going to go to software. I will navigate down to Microsoft. I will again navigate down to Windows. You can see now I have to go to the current version. Now again I have to navigate down to authentication. Sorry, you find the authentication upwards only. So now you have to go to the logon UI and go to the background. So again, like I've explained in the note, that this won't affect your system or your operating system in any way, that you're not changing anything that will damage your current version of your Windows or anything. So you don't have to worry about anything. You're just changing a small keyword in your Windows registry editor, that is. So if you're worried that you will lose your files or anything, so just stay calm, because nothing will happen. So once you're in the background tab, just maximize it. So you have to right click here and create a new dword value and name it to OEM background and save it, right? I'm going to repeat it again. You have to right click here, you have to go to new and create a new dword value and name it OEM background and save it. And then you have to double click it and set this value to 1. Like initially it will be 0, so you have to set its value to 1 and press OK. So I'm just going to delete this. Since I already have a custom background, so I have this OEM background already created. In case if you don't have this keyword, you just have to create it from new and dword value. Also, if you have this OEM background already created, you just need to double click it and change its value from 0 to 1 and press OK to save the changes. Now we will just close the window. Our registry editing is done. So we'll just close the windows. Now there's one more step involved, that is, in case you change the theme, that is the theme that you're working right now, in case you go to your system properties and change the theme, the OEM background value will go back to 0 from 1. So to prevent this, we are going to follow another step, that is, we are going to go to gpdeit.msc, and we are going to have to alter a few things so that no matter how many times you change the theme, your value will still be 1 and you will be able to use your custom background. Also, if you don't change your theme regularly, then you can directly skip to the next step. So I'm just going to show you the GPDEIT step first. So for that, you have to click on Start and click on gpdeit.msc. Oh, I'm sorry, it's gpedit.msc. So just going to click it. So like, this is the local group policy editor, so you just have to maximize it and follow these steps. You have to go to the computer configuration, administrative tools, system logon. So I will find the custom computer configuration. This is my custom configuration. Now this is my computer configuration. I have to go to the second option, that is administrative tools, or templates, and I'll go to system and double click it. In the system UI, I have to find logon and I will double click it again. So this is the menu that we are looking for. So there's the option here, that is always use custom login background. So we'll just use this. So you will get this window when you double click it. So always use custom logon background. You just have to click on the enabled option. It will be not configured or disabled before. You have to just enable it and click on OK and just close this window. So now most of the work is done. So you just have to use your favorite image. Now you have to select your favorite image that you want to set it as a system background. So for the location where we are looking to keep your favorite image to show up on the logon screen is, you have to go to your computer and click on the drive there where your Windows is located, my C drive. So I'll go to the C drive and you have to click on Windows to go to System 32. Now you have to locate a folder called Ube, that is OOBE. This is Ube folder, OOBE. So you just have to click on Ube. Now we have to, once you are in the Ube folder, we have to create a new folder. That is, right click it, go to new and create a new folder and name it to info. That is, if you don't have this folder already, you have to create a new folder, because initially you won't have this folder. You have to create a new folder and name it info and save it. Then once you create this folder inside Ube, you have to click on the info folder and double click on the info folder, and you have to create another folder, that is backgrounds. You have to create a new folder inside the info folder and name it backgrounds. So it is BACKGROUNDS. Don't forget the S. So once you're done with this, you have to double click on the backgrounds, and here you have to paste your favorite picture. Like, you have to copy your favorite picture and paste it in the backgrounds folder. So like, I want to set this image as my custom login screen background, so I will just copy it And also you have to watch out for another thing is the image that you want to save as the logon screen, custom logon screen background. You have to rename it to background default. Please note the initials. It's background default and the D is capital in the default. There is no space in between. It's background default or JPG. So I will just copy it. Whichever image you want to choose, you can choose it and just rename it to background default or JPG. So I'm going to paste it here. So there you go. Or you can even do another thing you can do is you can paste your image here, and here you can just right click it and rename it to background default or JPG. Now we'll just close the window, just do a quick refresh, and now you're done. So once you are done with this step, you can just click on, you can just press in your keyboard, that is Windows key plus L, to go to the lock the screen. It will go to the lock screen window, and there you can see your new image that you have, your custom image that you have set as background default or JPG in your login screen. So this is the whole procedure behind how you can change the background or set a custom background in your Windows 7. Afterwards, whenever you restart or you shut down your PC, you will see this image as your login screen, welcome screen Windows, uh, welcome screen in your Windows. So uh, there's one more important point that you have to note here is you have to make sure that the image that you are selecting is less than 256 KB in size. So you can use any image resizer to resize your favorite image and make sure it's 256 KB in size or less. So like you can see, you can check the size of the image here. So this image is 136 KB on disk and it's 134 KB, so it's well beyond the limits. So I can use this picture as my login screen background. So like you can see, I've got this as the final result. This is my login screen and I've got my favorite image here in the welcome screen. So this is the basic procedure to change the background of the login screen. And if you want to remove the background in any case, you have to just go to the system32 and ube folder, go inside the info folder and just delete the image that you have there set as the default background default .jpg. Just delete it from there and you will return to the original Windows background default. So this is the basic step of how you can create a custom login screen background. And also guys, if this video helped you, then kindly help us grow by liking, sharing and commenting on our blog post, and stay connected to us and live in a sensible way. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.